I created two scripts. One script is called starting script, and the other script is called ending script. Now, in my starting script, I created a variable called game started. I made it public so it could be shared with other scripts, and I named it static and then Boolean. Now, static is one of my most favorite, most less time consuming variable. I love using it because you can use it globally throughout your project. So here I type public static Boolean game started, and I went ahead and clicked and it made it equal to false. Now with Boolean, it could only be two values, either true or false. Or you can think of it like a light switch. A light switch can only be on or off. Or you can think of it as a bit. A bit can have the value either 0 or 1. So whenever you see Boolean, always just think 2, true or false. Now, what I did, I took the game started variable, and as soon as the game starts and runs the script, it's going to change the value from false to true. Let me go ahead and delete the update because we don't need it for this example. Now I'm going to hop over to the ending script. And I'm just going to use a debug.log for this example. So as soon as the ending script starts, it's going to show debug.log. What is the value of game started? And what I used a plus sign, the concatenation sign for this particular string that's inside the debug.log. And here's my game started, but you'll see there's a dot right before game started, and there goes the script, starting script dot game started, and there goes the starting script. I'm going to click on it, and that's where I had defined it at. Okay, so let's go into the game and let's set this up. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to add a button. I'm going to right click on canvas. I'm going to go down to UI and I'm going to click on button. And I'm just going to name this button test. And I'm going to click on my root, and I'm going to go down to game object, create an empty, and I'm going to rename it start script. And all I'm going to do is click on starting script. I'm going to move it over into start script. Let me get a better screen. Okay, that's a little bit better. So here I have my button there, and click on the down arrow. I'm going to highlight the button, and when it says press color, I'll just say green. Select a color, I'll just put yellow. Actually, I'm going to put red. And I'll put highlighted color yellow. And I'm going to add the script. This is what I kind of like to do. It's kind of easier sometimes if you just create an empty and just put like, I'm going to put in script. It's really easy. And you just drag it, the script on there. Go to my script folder and script. And I'll put that in there. So I have my start script and has starting script, end script, and there goes my end script. And so what's going to happen is with the starting script, as soon as I hit the play button, it's going to go to start and it's going to make that Boolean value set to true. And then when I go to the ending script, it will say, well, what is the value of game started? And it should say true once we click on the button. So let me go back to the button test. And now I have to assign the end script. All you have to do is just drag it in and click on game object, set active to true. All right, now I'm going to take, and what happens is you highlight the end script and you take the check off. Once you take the check off of that particular game object, it will disable the game object. And once you click on the button, it will make the end script active and it should show on the debug.log the result. So let's go ahead and get this started. Windows. Let me do a different Windows layout. Let me click on the default. Excellent. And when you click on the Windows default, it has the console. Let me clear that. And the debug.log should show in the console tab. I'm going to go ahead and click play. Okay, so I'm going to click on the button again because nothing happened in the console. I'm going to click on the button again, and as you can see, nothing has happened. What happened to our script? The end script is still not showing. So what I'm going to do in my nested character here, my first person, I'm going to click on UI event system and it says single mouse or pen. So let me stop this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the down arrow and I'm going to click all pointers as is. And let me save that. File, save. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the button. And as you can see on the bottom left hand corner, it says, what is the value of game started? It says true. Now, and also you'll see that the script as well is active. So if there's anything else that you want me to make a video on, just let me know. And of course, please like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm. Have a great day.